How to transfer money from USA to Ethiopia on PC. Now, first of all, we would use the Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. Now, if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. So first of all, select the destination, as you can see, that you want to transfer from. In this case, it will be United States. Now, in the two, select the Ethiopia. If you don't find it here, type it in the search bar, as you can see. So this is it. Now, click on it. And now, as you can see here, type the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000 or any amount that you want to transfer. And after that, click on Get This Rate. Now, log into your account. Now, if you don't see your recipient destination here, now just click on it and enter your destination, your recipient destination. In this case, it will be Ethiopia. And now click on Send Money. Now, as you can see, this is the amount that you want to transfer. As you can see, for example, $1,000. And now select the payment method that you want to transfer to, for example, bank account. And as you can see, the fee, it will be $0.99 and your recipient will receive that amount. After that, click on Continue. And now select the delivery method that you want to transfer to, for example, bank deposit or cash pickup or mobile money or debit card deposit. Now select the bank deposit, for example, and click on Continue. Now select the recipient bank, for example, commercial bank. And now provide the account or recipient bank details to be able to transfer it and click on Continue. Now after that, provide recipient name. After that, provide the recipient phone, the phone number of Ethiopia. And after that, if you want to recipient receive notification, you can click on Yes Please. If you don't, click on No Thanks. And as you can see, this is the final step to add your card. Now click on Add New Card and click on Continue. Now you need to provide your card information to be able to transfer money, and after that click on Next. So now you need to double check your info card to be able to transfer that money and your recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Ethiopia on PC. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.